Hey guys, Dan at Rosie and Maple. Today I want to show you my new and improved tubing spool or tubing reel. These are all made out of 5-gallon buckets, and I've cut holes and slots so you can put your drop lines in there. I've got other videos that show this. This is really easy to build. It's all PVC in a 5-gallon bucket. Super cheap, super easy. But I use this for setting up new lines. This is tubing that I'm setting up new lines with. I use it for taking down existing lines. I store each line on its own spool. It's easy to pop those in my tank and store them for the off season. But the frame, I rebuilt the frame. Originally I was only using 1/2-inch PVC. It lasted me for about 4 seasons. It eventually broke, and decided to build a new one. This is all out of 1-inch PVC, and it's really nice. I made a couple different changes. You can see I made this triangle structure, which is really much stronger. The last one didn't have this bottom, cross piece down here. This just went up around my neck like a yoke, and then this down here rested against my waist. This one, actually, I used old car seat straps to make straps in an X that go across my back, and you can connect them, disconnect them with these carabiner clips that you see over there. So it's much better. It rests across the middle of your back instead of up across your neck and shoulders. So way easier when you're carrying a huge spool of tubing. Much more comfortable and much more rigid. This is not going to break. The last one ended up breaking right at this corner here because the weight pulling from the upper yoke and then pushing on your waist, it just ended up snapping, right up here at this top corner. So a couple other things I did is I used these D pins, so you can just pop this off, and this middle piece of PVC is a smaller piece. That's 1/2 inch going into 1 inch. I just drilled holes, on each side. So you can just pop these pins out. Let me just do that quick, guys. So you can just pop the pin out, okay, real easy, and then you can just slide this out, right? And I just marked it so you know exactly where things should be to line up, and then you can just pop your pin right back in when you change out your spool. So super easy to change that out. Absolutely love this design. Plus with it being able to sit flat like this now, if you want to set this down and unspool some tubing, you can do that. You can set that in the woods and just drag it. But here's the X's. Ended up putting 1.5 inch pipe up here just to put spacers, so this goes out across your shoulders and down across your back. Absolutely love this thing. Worked amazing this year. Set up all my lines using it, including a new line, and going to use it for taking everything down. Hope you appreciate this. Super easy build. Please like this video. Check out all of our other content on our channel, and like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
Please check out all of our other tubing videos as well. We show how to build this spool, how to use this reel to install your tubing, as well as how to sanitize your tubing.